everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive in Saskatoon, and welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursdays.
Perfect.
Jamie, what are we making today?
We are making the Sherman Cocktail.
Sherman Cocktail, okay.
Yep, this is our first drink made with absinthe.
Absinthe.
We haven't made it yet. It's been a lot of episodes, haven't done it.
Absinthe is traditionally a really high alcohol content.
Yep.
So this one I think is 60%, but often if you find it in a liquor store, it goes all the way up to 75%. So its potency is really, really high. It's an old alcohol that was actually outlawed in the United States from 1915 until like just over 2000. So it has was a drink of choice for a lot of artists, writers, poets, that kind of stuff. It was supposed to have hallucinogenic properties to it, but really I think it's just because it was stiff hooch. Because really that's mostly been disproven. It has a real licorice flavor to it. So it's made with wormwood, which is a plant actually you can grow in Canada. In fact, this distillery is in Okanagan.
Okanagan.
Yeah. So, and it has a real fennel kind of flavor to it. So you don't need very much of this because of its strong flavor and also its high alcohol content.
Okay. So we're going to start the drink with 4 ounces of rye.
Okay.
This is for 2 people.
Okay.
4 ounces rye, and then we're going to go 2 ounces of the Sweet Vermouth.
Sweet Vermouth. And then
we're going to go a little bit, just a little bit. We're going to go 2 teaspoons of absinthe.
so you don't need much. Sometimes this is a clear in color, but it comes in green as well. Lots of them you'll see in the liquor stores are green. They add the green color to it.
We're going to do a couple dashes of orange bitters.
Okay. So far the only thing I see that's mixed in this drink is the bitters.
Bitters is the mix.
This is the mix. Okay.
We're going to go a couple more dashes of just regular Angosturra bitters.
So you should be
a little change of the color there.
Okay. So you should be sitting down when you drink this, really.
Oh, probably.
Okay.
This is a sipper.
Okay.
We're going to shake it on ice.
Whoa, you can definitely smell the licorice.
I'm going to strain it over 2 martini glasses that have a lemon tweel.
Okay. And we'll see if we hallucinate.
I don't think that. I don't think so, Tim.
All right. Sherman.
The Sherman. Cheers.
Give it a shot. That's boozy. You can definitely taste the licorice in there.
Yeah, you don't need very much of that.
Over top of everything. Even like the rye, which is traditionally a fairly strong flavor.
You don't know if you want to keep drinking it, but you kind of do.
Well,
It's a sipper.
somebody had to pay for all this. Of course we're going to drink it. Come on.
That's a lot of.
It's going to take a long time to drink this.
Yeah, that's a lot of anise. A lot of black licorice in there.
Yeah. It is an acquired flavor, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I think we should probably make another one of those sometime with that.
Yeah.
The Sherman, everyone.
The Sherman.
Cheers.